I've got big plans for us over the next couple of days, but if things don't go as planned, don't worry. We'll just wing it. See what I did? How about we start things off with a nice long salt bath to get rid of that foul odor? Are you game? I did it again! I'm getting to know you. I'm getting to know all about you. The next thing I have for you, Birdie, is an egg sauna. It'll be like back at the farm, you know, right before you were hatched.